Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surferers. So in this video I will share with you some Udemy courses which are publicly available, and it is basically educational and informational purposes only. Let's go. So the first course name is Introduction to Roblox Game Development. So to get this course you have to copy the course link. I will put all the link in video description and paste the link in the browser. So as you can see, this introduction to Roblox game development is absolutely free of cost. So you can enroll this now. So you can see this is absolutely free of cost. So you can enroll now this course. So the next course is AI agents made simple. Build, automate and launch with no code. Master AI agent creation. So to get this course you have to copy the course link. I will put this link in the video description. From there you will get it and paste the link in the video description. So as you can see, this is absolutely free of cost. So you can enroll now. There you will get 2 articles, 1 hour on demand video. So the next course is Spring AI for Java Developers Beginner's Guide. So to get this course you have to copy the course link and paste the course link in the browser. So this is absolutely free of cost. You can enroll now. You will get 2 articles and 3 downloadable resources. You can access this course on mobile and TV. So next course is Deep Learning Made Simple. Neural Networks to AI. To get this course you have to copy the course link and paste the link in the browser. You can also see this is absolutely free. This course will be 38 minutes on demand video. You can access on mobile and TV. This is absolutely free of cost. So enroll now before it expires. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.